In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Scion FR-S key fob at home. This device was used on FR-Ss from 2015 and 2016, and inside it takes, you will find just one CR2016 battery that makes it run. The first step here is just to pick this thing up, turn it over to the back, and then we're going to use this little indentation in the corner here to open up the device. So make sure you hold this with this side facing up, and I'll show you why in a second. And you're going to insert into that area and twist, and this will pop off just like that. There's a little black box in here that we can remove. Just carefully lift this out, because under here we have all of our little button pieces, and these will fall. If you did it the other way with this side facing down, these would all fall off and be kind of annoying to put back in. So just go ahead and set this to the side now. And now looking at this little box here, we're going to come in from this side, and between the clear plastic and the black plastic, insert your flathead screwdriver. And again, we're just twisting to open. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, twist, and now we can, one more twist, and now we can pull it apart with our fingers and set this to the side. Here is our battery. What we want to do is, coming in from the top part here, just get in between the battery and this rubber component, and we're just going to put our flathead screwdriver behind the battery to pull it out a little bit. So watch this. Going to push in there, and it will fly out. Let me show you that one more time. Okay, now that it's back in there, let me straighten this out for you. Now we are going in, slipping this tool behind the battery and just popping it out. All right, take a new CR2016 battery, make sure this positive side goes face up, and you want to slide it down into place where this metal component is first, and get that lined up, and then just click it in. And you'll know that it's secure when it's behind these two little pieces of plastic on the top. Now all we need to do is reattach all the pieces. So click this back on, carefully lift this up and set this on top of the buttons, and click the back into place. And you are done, you are all set. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing the battery in any key fob for any maker model, you can check out the rest of the tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.